Welcome back, Pythoniers. Before we start with Seaborn, let's clean up here. I'm going to create a new folder. I'm just gonna call it 01 matplotlib. It's up to you if you do it, however you do this. I'm just gonna move these here, and I'm gonna move this there and this there. Setup can be out here, and then we'll have a new data folder here. I'll create a new main.py. And in the data, instead of writing everything manually, let's copy my datasets and I'll upload it to our source code link, so we don't have to do this manually each time to save time. So we'll do snack sales.csv. Let's paste that in, and then what else do we have? We have a fitness data CSV. So let's create that and paste this in. Great. So we have a little more data now. And let's see, am I not missing another one? Just take a look. All right, student scores. Go. A better organization system. Let's see, student scores.csv. There we go. There we go. A little more interesting things. Now with the data in place. I think we have everything we need. Let's see. Yeah. Okay. Directory structure. Before we move on to the next section, we could do the similar for Seaborn. See you on the next one.